Hey, what's happening? We're back. How you? How you doing? You good? You feeling good? Feeling strong? We've been gone for a few days. We went to Bath. Yeah, it was quite nice. It looked a little bit like this. Here's Bath. I'm making a chicken tikka masala today. I'm going to start this off with a proviso. There are 20 million gazillion, I read this, it's in the dictionary, recipes on how to make a curry. I'm sure your mom's recipe is better than this one. Your mom's grandmother's, cousins, uncles, dogs, neighbors, be it a dragon's recipe is different or better than this. That's fine. No one is saying that that recipe is wrong or that it's bad or that it tastes terrible, because I'm sure it tastes pretty good. I'm going to be making my version. We're going to start off by making the marinade for our chicken. What I've done is, it is still hot. I've toasted off some whole coriander seeds and some cumin. Cumin, very controversial spice. 2 teaspoons of each. I don't know which one's the pestle and which one's the mortar. Just going to ground this up. The flavor. Nice mixing bowl. All of that in there. 2 teaspoons of ground turmeric, 4 teaspoons rather. I went to a primary school in Richards Bay, and whenever you used a swear word, they would put a teaspoon of turmeric in your mouth. 2 teaspoons of garam masala, extra hot chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili. Listen, this stuff will melt your freaking face off. We're going with 1 teaspoon. Some extra color, a heaped teaspoon of the hot smoked paprika. Damn, that smells good. 6 cloves of garlic. If you like this video and if you like this series, why not give it a like, give it a thumbs up in the comment section below, share with your mates. A nice easy way to mince your garlic is using salt. Salt acts as kind of like an abrasion, and it breaks up the, what's this stuff called? Garlic. Using the back of your knife, you're scraping the garlic. That goes straight in here. Fresh ginger, peel it with a spoon. This is one of those videos that I'm gonna have to edit and do a whole bunch of cuts because, God, and I need to try and make me look good because I am making a fucking meal out of this ginger. Fuck me, it smells good. The benefits of doing freshly crushed, minced garlic and ginger are huge. They're immense. YouTube chef Kenji, he talks about sort of like the biology and the science behind cells in the wall of a garlic, and that when you cut it. 4 teaspoons of fresh ginger. I've just added a bit of salt and a bit of pepper. Mix all of those ingredients together. The chicken. I like to use boneless, skinless chicken breast. Butterfly these guys. Wash your hands. Raw chicken is seriously dangerous. Make sure you use soap. Don't just rinse your hands under water. I mean, I don't need to explain to you how soap breaks down the enzymes and all the science. Big mixing bowl. That's quite loud. Natural yogurt. Don't put your like strawberry yogurt in here or something like that, okay? 1.5 cups. We're gonna mix half of this in here. Save the other half. That's what we're gonna cook with. Mix that together, combine your yogurt and your spices together. Put your chicken breasts inside. Properly. Speak English. I'm knackered. I've just driven like 4 hours. Now that's properly mixed. Now we need to let this marinate for sort of like a minimum, minimum of 4 hours. Sometimes I do it overnight. So I'm gonna go have a nap. And then when I come back, hopefully the light will still be around and I will I'll compute this recipe. This fridge stinks of broccoli.
A few minutes later.
We are back. I've had a nap, feeling strong. We need to turn your oven on to its grill setting. Could be called the broiling settings. South Africa, this is called the grill, right? So it's just the top plate when you're grilling like pork chop, toasting bread, not the oven. You're not circulating air from the bottom and the top. You're not cooking pizza or baking a chicken. You are browning. Over-explain that. So I have a baking tray and then a wire rack. Because I'm an idiot and I didn't measure things before I bought it, this doesn't fit nice and snug in here. Oh my God, I mean, look at that. Look at the color. You don't even have to cook this in a curry. Serve it on a burger, chop it up, put it in a salad. Because this dish is yogurt and it's with spice, you are definitely going to get some browning, some of that Maillard reaction. Science with Simon! It just kind of takes your curry to the next level. I'm going to let that preheat before I put this in, so I'm going to move this out of the way. We need to chop an onion. Oh my god. Fuck! Actual blood. Actual blood. Baby! We got plasters. Idiot. I just got too fucking overzealous.
How much blood is there?
Not a lot.
You can't show off on camera.
I was just going too fast like a fucking idiot. There. Kiss it better. Thank you. Pro tip. Don't get overzealous like I just did there. I was using really poor technique. Slowly now. Sunflower oil. The original recipe also calls for ghee, which is essentially clarified butter. I don't have the patience for that. So I'm just... Motherfucker! I don't have the patience. To make clarified butter. Okay, in with the onion. Fish out the onion skin. Mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, about a teaspoon. Cloves, these things pack quite a punch. Don't put too much of these in. 2, 3, let's go 4. 4, who cares? The only bit of acacia, it's basically cinnamon bark. Allspice. Cardamom pods. I'm only going to use 6 of these. They pack a huge, massive punch. Cook that down for a bit. Tomato paste, 2 teaspoons. Mix it up nice. So what we're doing is we are cooking with the tomato paste. Just get rid of some of that bitter flavor. Now, the other half of the spice that we made earlier, that we were marinating the chicken with, that is all gonna go in here. It's now vitally important to cook the spices off. What does that mean? Blending it all in, okay? Like that. And cooking it off, like you would cook flour off. Otherwise, you're gonna get that sandy, flippin' texture across your mouth. It's so gross. 1 whole can, good quality chopped tomato. Top it up with some water. Salt. Pepper, about a tablespoon of brown sugar. That's going to cut through the acidity of the tomato. So whilst this is bubbling away and smelling incredible, it's time to put the chicken in. In the oven, on broil setting.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Baby, this fucking oven has not been heating up. This entire time that we've been making this video, this oven has not been heating up. God. This is supposed to be like a how-to video, and all I've shown you is how to cut yourself, how to burn yourself with hot butter and oil, and how to not preheat your fucking oven. Simmer for 4 minutes. Now we're gonna add some fresh cream. How much cream? All of it. But all of the cream in. Let that just very simple simmer away. Just a few little bubbles here and there. That's all we're looking for. Don't burn your face. Whilst the chicken is cooking, hopefully. I don't know if this oven is on. Honestly.
A few minutes later.
It's been about, I'd say 15 minutes. But it's time to check on our chicken. Oh, yeah. That is what we want. Look at that. I'm gonna turn these bad boys. That's now going back in the oven for, I'd probably say another maybe, let's call it 7 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Chicken's ready to come out of the oven. We are going to cut the chicken into however you want it. Chicken now goes into the sauce. Give it a stir. Fresh coriander. We're going to chop this up. Give that a stir. That's it. Fresh chopped coriander's in there. I've turned the stove off. Sit and park off and chill in its lovely, glorious, amazing juices with the spices and all the things. We're going to serve this with... Well, you'll just have to wait for the next video because I've been very smart about it and I've split this into two. It's garlic naan. I'm making garlic naan. So if you like this video, the next video is the garlic naan that we're going to eat with this one. Quite clever, hey? Let's taste this. It's so good. It's spicy. Like hot, but like nice. And all we put in was like a teaspoon of that Kashmiri chili. Sure, fair enough, the smoked paprika was a bit spicy, but that's not that spicy to be fair. Honestly, this is such a good curry. This video is done. Okay, I need to change my shirt to make the naan because of continuity. But that's nice. That's a good curry. All right.